Ordering food from Uber Eats is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can order food from Uber Eats. So the process is pretty much the same on the application and on the web. So I'm just going to do it on the web. You can do the same on the app as well. So what you have to do is first of all, you need to go to Uber Eats. You just have to open up your application. So after going to the Uber Eats app, you will see a page something like that. First of all, you just need to enter your delivery address. So after entering the delivery address, let me just add one, and then after entering the delivery address, it will show you all the restaurants near you. You just have to select the restaurant, select any of the things that you want to buy, and then you just have to pay for it. If you haven't attached any of the payment method, you just have to tap on these three lines, which should available on your phone as well. You just have to go to your account, and then in account you will see wallet. And in the wallet, you'll easily be able to either add funds or attach a payment method, which you can also add while checking out as well. So what you have to do is you have to order the food, and you will get the food in few minutes. So that's pretty much it. That's all we'll be able to do it. I hope you guys find this video helpful.